Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little stack of goodies from Rosie's studio that I ordered online. I want to really quickly go through these with you. I have a stack of stuff that I got for my December daily, and then I have a stack of extra stuff. So I'm going to include these in my December daily kit prep video. So there's going to be a little bit of doubling up, unfortunately. I apologize. So I'll start with the non-Christmas stuff, and I'll just go from the top down because I may as well. I was originally just going to order this Christmas stuff, but they do free shipping internationally if you order over $50 USD, which actually it was kind of difficult to spend $50 US on this stuff because it's pretty cheap. I didn't order any papers because I'm not a big fan of their papers. It's very thin. It's not the quality I like, but I like all their other embellishments and ephemera. So I just grabbed a bunch of, pretty much this is all puffy stickers, I think. So this is the Mimosa Sundae Enamel stickers. They're just like little enamel dots, but they have hearts and some dots and some little hashtags at the bottom here in a variety of colors, so you can never have too many enamel bits and pieces. I got 2 packets of the Take Flight puffy stickers because they are just super sweet. I've just turned on my lights so there's not so much glare. There you go. There are lots of little birds and butterflies and rainbows and flowers. Really sweet little set of puffies. I love puffy stickers. They're probably one of my favorite embellishments, so I did get 2 packets of those. Next, I got a set of these puffy alphabet stickers. They're just a black and white teeny tiny alpha, all uppercase, some numbers, not too many though, just 1 row, and then you have a few punctuation marks down the side here. Next, I got some of the puffy hearts. I got the neutral set, so they do have colourful ones as well. I actually already have some of them. There we go. So this is just some of their basics. I just really like the neutral colors. It's just whites and blacks and grays, and some of that really nice blush pink thrown in. It's got a pack of those, and I also got a pack of these stars in the same colorway. Super cute. I'm going to use heaps of these. And then I got the new field notes. It's like the puffy titles. It says puffy stickers, but it's mostly titles. I really just like these scripty ones. Really good for kids pages. You do have a few little icon pieces, but it's mostly titles. Really cute. Okay, now to get onto the Christmas stuff. So like I said, I'm going to put these in my December daily prep video, but I'm not going to go into too much detail over there, but I'll show you here what we have in the packet. So we have the puffy stickers. They're titles. They're gold. Little puffies. It looks like they've already come unstuck a little bit, so I wouldn't trust the adhesive on these, but I just like that they're really thin. I really like the scripty font, and quite a few of these little stars as well, which are really sweet. I will just let you know, I did get the Rudolph and Friends collection Christmas stuff, so they have 2 new collections for Christmas this year. This Rudolph and Friends and another one that's more traditional colors, but this is the more pastel colored one, so this is the one I got. These are the die cuts. There are 180 in here, and it does look like there's 2 of everything. So there's 2 of, yeah, it does look like there are doubles, which I appreciate. So this is all the ones you get, and 2 of that. So you basically get 2 full packs of ephemera, which is one of the things I really love about Rosie's Studio collection. They pretty much always do this. So there's quite a lot of red. I really like the tone of the red though. It's a really nice kind of bright cherry red. It's not too orange, it's not too maroon, it's not too pink. It's just the perfect Christmas red. And then you have lots of this really nice mint, lots of this pink, lots of this kind of pale blue, that really pastel kind of tone that I really like. So I'm probably not going to use too much of this brighter green. I'm really trying to stick to like the pastel colors and pops of this brighter red, but you never know, we'll see. Lots of really sweet. I love this lamppost, this little car with the tree on it. I know it's really overused, but I just love the little car with the Christmas tree on the top. I don't know why, I just love it so much. And then you have all these little animals, little bunnies, little deer, little owls, penguins, ornaments and snowflakes, light strings, and these little little word phrases, which I really like. Lots of little bits and pieces in here. I'm going to really enjoy using this. I'm not going to open this just because there's a lot and they'll go everywhere. But you can see there's lots of smaller pieces in here, really teeny tiny ones. Really, really usable. Nice for December daily because they're not enormous and there's lots of little bits. Okay, next I have the Chipboard Embellishments, which I'm super excited about. These are so sweet. I love this little tree, little deer, a snow globe. You have some round circular pieces here, some just word phrases and flags. I'm really excited about this piece. I probably would have bought this pack just for the little letter to Santa in the envelope. It's got the stripy pattern around the outside, and it's even got a little stamp. How cute is that? And these are all gold foil, by the way. I did forget to mention there is gold foiling on a lot of these die cuts as well, so that's another bonus. So this is the other side. You have a wreath, this cute little, it looks like a house, but it's actually an advent calendar. It's got all the numbers in gold foil. Super tiny. It's almost impossible to see on camera. All the little numbers on the doors in gold foil. So cute. Little frame and a tag down here. Some more little tags and frames and candy canes, phrases. Really sweet. I love the colors. Oh, I love this collection. Next, some more puffies. I got a lot of puffies. So these are the Puffy Motif stickers. They're tiny, they're teeny tiny. So you have a row each of trees, peppermints, little presents, little penguins, some phrases, ornaments, some little animal and Santa and elf heads, snowflakes and snow globes. So cute, so many on there. I kind of wish I'd got 2 of these, but how adorable are they? Then I got 2 packets of the Puffy sticker alphas because there's only 4 of each vowel. There's only 1 of each color. So if I got 2 sheets, I knew I'd at least have 2 of each. I don't mind mixing and matching colors, but I don't want to be stuck with too many of one color. So yeah, I just got 2 just in case. Then I also got the Puffy Dot stickers. Again, they're just, they're kind of like enamel dots, but they're actually puffy. So cute. A variety of sizes of stars, circles, and hearts. And again, in those colors. Very cute. And then I got the journal cards. So these are 3x4 double-sided journal cards. You get 24 in here. I'm not sure if you get doubles, but I will just pop these out and quickly flick through so you can get an idea of what we have. Yep, so there are doubles. Okay, I've just zoomed in really quickly. So you have this cute little pink. I just love these pastel colors. That one's cute. So many really cute pastel colors, that car and tree again. Nice journaling spots. Some nice phrases. I love this little snow globe. Little penguins are adorable. Airmail, how cute is that? These would be so cute to journal on, or even just to stick a photo on. These are nice just to decorate the pockets if you're using a traveler's notebook, or to make little tags out of, or like journaling spots. How perfect is that? Cute little ledger paper, deck the halls. There's no time like the presents. Hehehe, that's cute. I like that. Cute little wreath. I can imagine Fussy cutting the center of that out. So, lots of cute little journal cards. I'm really loving those colors, and they're going to come really in handy. All right, that is everything. Just a super quick one. Like I said, mostly Puffy stickers. I really couldn't resist. Really happy with all of these. Super inexpensive. Definitely recommend checking them out if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.